Hey loves, welcome back to another video. So today I'm back with another tutorial and we are doing a fall inspired nail tutorial. I decided, you know what, why not create a polygel look using Vettsy Polygel. I hadn't used any of their polygel in a while, so I decided why not, since I absolutely loved it. And I will have everything linked down below for you guys down in the description, along with their website, discount codes, and somewhere in the screen I'll also place a discount code if you're interested in purchasing anything through Vettsy. So yeah, here I am just gonna go ahead and quickly apply their peel off coat. Mind you, absolutely amazing. Just want to let you guys know, absolutely amazing. Loved it. Really good and very inexpensive. So I will have that link down below as well if you're interested. And then next I'm gonna go in and apply some base coat to my desired nails, which is the ring finger and middle finger, because I am gonna be applying some gold and rose gold embellishments, some little cute fall leaves that I found in my drawer. And I said, oh, why not? I thought it went perfect with this look, and I did purchase this box of embellishments through Shein, so if you're interested, that is where I got it. And by the way, these full coverage nails are from AliExpress. They're absolutely stunning. I definitely recommend them. They're literally $4 or $5. Absolutely stunning. Definitely recommend if you're looking for a dupe and really good nails. So here I'm just going in and placing the fall leaves wherever I desire, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure it under the lamp for a couple seconds, and then we're going to get straight into the polygel tutorial. And by the way, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I am doing the lazy girl method, also known as the Femi Beauty method. So I absolutely love this method and I always rave about it just because it's super easy and anybody could do it. It's very beginner friendly, or also if you just want to do your nails this way because it's a lot quicker and easier than sculpting them from scratch, which by the way, 100% credit to those who do that, because I know that is not easy. And so I definitely give everybody who does that credit, but me personally, I'm not the best at that, and also it's very time consuming. So I definitely always recommend and love this particular method. So here I'm just going in with the 3 polygels that I decided to go for in this video, and then I'm just aligning them up. I'm gonna grab the spatula side of the brush and I'm just gonna start swirling it around, creating kind of like a mixture effect. I'm not gonna say marble because this wasn't a marble creation. It was just simply me mixing these 3 colors together to get more of like an earthy type of a look. So that is what I was going for, since I am doing a fall nail tutorial. Usually they're like browns and stuff like that, but I decided I wanted to do like a green, like a sparkly green. So that is what I went for. And here I'm just going in and applying the polygel to the cuticle area of each individual nail. And what I like about this, and the reason why I do it, is because by the time I get to the pinky, they're all already self-leveled out, which really helps with not creating any type of air bubbles while I am maneuvering the polygel. And by the way, as a slip solution, I decided to go ahead and use some base coat. So now I'm going to begin to work with the polygel, and as you guys can see, very easy to work with, very smooth, which I absolutely love. This is what kind of stands out for me with this particular polygel from Vettsy, is that it's very smooth, very easy to work with as well. I recommend this to absolutely anyone from beginner, intermediate to advanced. Super easy, super smooth. I absolutely love this polygel and I definitely recommend it. They have a bunch of different things in their website. They have nail art mystery boxes, they have polygel, they have peel off coats, they have gel pots, I believe they have gel polish as well. They have all types and sorts of variety of nail art. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to check the link down below. Absolutely love them and recommend them. And I have made a couple videos using their products. So I definitely love this company. And here I'm just gonna work my way through each individual nail, and you guys can see I absolutely love working from the cuticle to the free edge because it ensures that there is no negative space on the sidewalls of the nails and that everything is fully covered with polygel. So that's why I absolutely love doing it this way. And by the time I'm done with all the nails, everything is self-leveled out. So that is definitely a plus. I absolutely love this nail because of that reasoning, and I think it works best with the lazy girl method, or if you're just doing gel polish, works absolutely amazing in my personal opinion. So yeah, that is what I'm doing here, just making sure that everything is looking prompt and ready to go. So I'm going to be doing this process for the rest of the nails. And if you guys do want long-lasting nails, always remember to remove the shine from the surface of your each individual nail beds. Then go in with some dehydrator. If you don't have dehydrator, you could always use alcohol or 100% acetone, or you can actually mix both of those, and it actually creates a dehydrator if you don't have one of your own, or you haven't purchased one or don't want to. And then don't forget to work with a primer. That is the most important step, just because the primer will ensure long-lasting nails and no lifting. So it's very important that you just do trial and error with primers. You might find a primer that will work for you right then and there, or you might find some primers that don't work for you the best. So it is trial and error when it comes to primers. But other than that, always remember to dehydrate and add a primer, and then do the nail application. It's very important if you want your nails to last. And honestly, I always do that, and my nails don't come off until I desire to take them off. But that is when I do actual nail sets on myself, since I do tend to film very constantly. I don't really do full nail sets on me, but when I do my nail sets, I always remember to do those steps that I just told you guys, and I have absolutely no issues with lifting whatsoever. So now that I'm done, I'm going to be going in with some base coat and applying it to all my nails, and then I'm going to go ahead and cure it under the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to begin to adhere the nails off camera. I'm going to place them on, and then after I'm done placing on the nails, I'm literally just grabbing some spray hand sanitizer, and I'm grabbing this particular brush that you can get anywhere, and I'm just removing all the excess dust or lint that could possibly be on the nails. I find this really important just because sometimes we do leave dust behind, or residue, or whatever the case may be. So I ensure that I scrub fair enough for everything to be eliminated and for it to just be ready for me to file and buff the nails. So here I'm just going to go in and file and shape. So here I'm just going in and choosing a dangling charm, since I decided I want to incorporate in this nail look, just because I haven't done it in a while and I absolutely love how it looks. So then next here I am just going to show you the rhinestones that I'm going to be using. These really beautiful rhinestones that I actually showed in a haul that I did yesterday. And then here I'm also going to be incorporating some caviar beads, so you guys will see the process of me creating some really nice nails. And I decided I want to add some bling, so you know, I definitely had to do so. I thought it would look really good with this look, and I decided in the nails that I was going to apply bling to do a matte top coat. So I did place a matte top coat for the index finger that I'm applying the rhinestones in, and also for the pinky. So here I'm just showing you little its and bits of clips of me just applying the rhinestones. And I was so happy because this was the first time I incorporated what are those called? This was the first time in a nail set that I incorporated not just flat back but also pointed back. So I was super happy how it came out. I was so happy. I couldn't believe that I had created this with all these rhinestones because I had never used the pointed back ones, and I incorporated them in this particular look, so I was really proud of myself. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. So here I'm just going a little bit more up close and just showing you guys how I'm placing each individual crystal. So here I'm just going in with this manual little drill, and this is used to create holes for dangling charms. So that is what I use it for, and here that is what I'm doing. I'm just going in and creating the hole to my desired sizing, just because sometimes you may make it too small and then the hoop doesn't fit in. So I'm just going in, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply a hoop and the dangling charm, and you guys will see the process here. So now I'm just going to be going ahead and applying no wipe top coat to the rest of the nails, and this is a shiny top coat. I decided to do the rest of the nails glossy, and that is it for today's video, and I'll see you guys very soon. I went ahead and applied the cuticle oil off camera, and that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked this set. Let me know down below your thoughts and opinions on what you guys thought. Thank you all once again for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.